Hey, folks, welcome to Market Intraday Analysis by InTheMoneyStocks.com, your leaders in pure technical analysis, avoiding all that Wall Street hype. This video is for Wednesday, August 22nd, 2012. My name is Gareth Soloway, Chief Market Strategist at InTheMoneyStocks.com. So, folks, everything I've predicted thus far has come perfectly to fruition. We talked yesterday in the intraday video about the gap up and how the markets had sold back to this key trend line. This key trend line was the difference between a previous 52-week high in April 2012 and new 52-week highs. And ultimately, the market, I talked about it, if you closed below here or got below here, you'd be looking at a failed pattern, which is called a river theory. It's a proprietary technique we use here at In the Money Stocks, but ultimately it would mean further downside. So far today, further downside as we did close below that level, folks. So beautiful continued selling today. Not huge. I mean, we're still not down huge on the day. S&P's down 4, Nasdaq is down 3, Dow's down about 61. But the point is, again, you're seeing continued downside, even in generally light volume. We're only a couple weeks or about a week and a half away from the Labor Day holiday weekend. So to see downside in this market environment is purely technical. It's purely based on what we're seeing in the technicals as you recaptured that level yesterday. All right. Ultimately, we positioned ourselves perfectly, and we are reaping the benefits of this sell-off the last couple days, whether it's in Qualcomm, which is a beautiful one, or there are plenty of other plays as well out there we've talked about on the short side. One of them today I gave out, guys, was Bank of America. I gave this to the intraday stock chat as a swing trade, and take a look at this. It was a perfect one. Yesterday you got a topping tail, and what we do is we wait for a 50% retrace. The entry was right here, right around the $8.30 level. It's already pulled all the way back down, and that's a beautiful retrace classic play from InTheMoneyStocks.com that is already giving members or chat members, whoever you are, you're getting profits already from that play, and that is a thing of beauty. Another thing we talked about today was Baidu at the 50 MA, came down, kissed the 50. Look at the reversal today. Beautiful reversal on Baidu. Apple opened lower, shot lower, and then reversed as well. The stock is now up $7. So this market would be down a lot more if it wasn't for Apple and a couple other key stocks that have moved off their lows and are positive, like Google and Apple, obviously, are the two name brand ones. Even Amazon's up today. This market would be getting hammered a lot more. Going to the intraday charts, guys. What does this all mean? Here's your daily chart. And this is what I was talking about. See that ugly candle, reversal candle yesterday? And this is the high from April. So you opened above it, which most amateurs would take that as a bullish sign, right? Most amateurs are like, oh, we gapped up here and we're above the 52-week high. Bye, bye, bye. We know better than that here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. We keep the emotion out of it. We focus on the charts, we read the charts, and they give us profits. It's that simple, folks. I mean, the profits just flow here. And there's plenty of pikers out there, who lose money every day, and we're the ones, honestly, to take the money from them because they give it to us very nicely. We appreciate it. But if you're an In The Money Stocks member, you're just making money, while other people that don't know what they're doing and they don't understand, they're just giving their money away. It's kind of sad, but at the same time, someone hands me, a couple $1,000, I'm not going to really turn away from it necessarily. Maybe I'll give it to charity or something, but hey, that's the way it is. So bottom line is, markets are there for you to learn how to trade. Proprietary techniques, do it here. InTheMoneyStocks.com, 7-day free trial. Research Center is for investors and swing traders. Intraday Stock Chat for day traders. The profits continue to flow here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. I gave out a nice little day trade today. I gave out Groupon this morning around the $4.50 level. A nice 10-cent profit there. There were some great scalps today in the Intraday Stock Chat. Baidu scalps and plenty of other ones, Spider scalps and so forth. Apple scalps, and again, that's just always so nice when you get some good scalps like that and you can take advantage of them. So we'll just continue to make money here at InTheMoneyStocks.com. My encouragement is for you to come join us here. If we look at the SPY on an intraday basis, you can see you're floating off the lows a little bit here, bouncing back up. We got the Fed minutes out today, so I mean that's ultimately why you're getting this action. So you were floating down, and then you got the Fed minutes at 2 o'clock. You got a spike, a reversal, and now you're inching back up. Market's trying to figure out where it wants to go. If we take a look at the dollar, UUP getting smoked, and that's really why the market's popped up. But what I love about the dollar, guys, it's going right to my target. Here's your target on the dollar. Look at that, right there. 200 MA. This tells us the dollar should bounce. When the dollar bounces, the market should have more downside. So, again, pretty amazing to see the market's really not recovering that much, even with a drastic fall in the dollar. And I love seeing that. I mean, bottom line is, it's a great little thing to note and see. and profit from. So I'll be discussing a lot of this in the nightly video tonight, folks. Plenty of stuff to go over with members of the Research Center when I put out the video this evening, and we'll cover it all. But bottom line is, profits galore continue. Sometimes it's slower, sometimes it's faster, but the profits continue to flow. Have a great evening, folks. I will talk to you soon. Take care.